Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. Magnets are a very important staple in my arts and craft projects. I use them a lot for both practical purposes and for decorations. They are super easy to make, really fun, portable and compact, and they can change the look of something in an instant to suit the occasion or holiday. Magnets also make great gifts, whether they be for practical purposes or for decoration. Keep watching and you'll see what I mean. I made a variety for the Easter and spring holidays. To see more of my DIY videos, take a second to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified every time that I upload something new. You might remember this from Christmas time when I used a cake pan to create this really adorable snowman magnet board with a hidden compartment on the back side. Since then, the snowman face magnet pieces have been stored away until next Christmas, and I had made Valentine's Day ones, but now it's time for an update to Easter and/or spring. I drew out some bunny face parts on the scrap chopping board and cut them out. I'll be using these two green magnets that I got at the Dollar Tree in the office section for the eyes. And I just cut out some pupils with some chopping board and I had painted them a dark gray. I'm using scraps of pink burlap ribbon to fill in the parts for the ears, and I'll be using the same scrap of pink burlap ribbon to fill in the nose. I realized side by side that these ears are a bit out of proportion. The one that's bent over, which is what I wanted it to do, is actually in reality would be too big. So I'll have to perform some minor surgery, and I realized that later when I saw them more side by side up on the magnet board. So don't get too excited about what I'm doing here just yet. Although it's going to look really cool, I'm going to have to go back and alter it to make it go with the other ear. I think that the twine just helps to really outline the parts and make them pop out against the white background of the magnet board. And they tie in the overall look with that nautical rope that's wrapped around it. I wanted to add some sparkle and shine to the bunny's eyes with some white chalk paint. Here's an alternative look if the bunny rabbit face is a little too cutesy for your taste. I'm just taking some of these flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're burlap and they have these rhinestones on them. And I'm taking some fishing line and just sewing them to these magnet clips that also come from the Dollar Tree. They're very strong magnets, and I had glued the flowers on, but I also sewed them on a couple of times and tied it on tight so that they wouldn't fall off of the magnets with repeated use. And here I am just gluing some twine over the rhinestone. I'm actually using the rhinestone as sort of a mount for the twine. And that way this will have a more rustic look, which is what I'm going for these spring and Easter decor. Here I am painting some wood pieces that came in the craft section at Walmart, and these are 2 flat wooden ornaments in the shape of a bunny and an Easter egg. I just painted them white. They did have some black line drawings on them. And I'm using these stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just adding in some jute twine to go around the Easter egg, and then I'm going to create a bow for the bunny rabbit's ear to cover that hole in the top where it used to be an ornament. I'm just using this furniture scratch marker to go ahead and stain the outside of this wooden ornament. Fingernail polish remover on a Q-tip made getting the paint off the magnet super easy. So here's what it looked like before, and here's the hidden storage compartment where I keep the extra letters. And here's what it looks like now. And this is great over by my coffee and tea station. I put some more stickers on this scrap magnet sheet. Old calendars that are magnets work great for this kind of project as well. I just cut them out. It's that easy, and now they're ready to dress up anything that's metal. I'm thinking of certain galvanized metal pots and planters that I have. For these last two stickers, I'll be using some scrap foam board and some scrap dark gray placemats that I got from Dollar Tree. I like these woven dark gray placemats, and I think they'll add a nice touch to these Easter spring theme type magnets. I'm just using some hot glue because there's no guarantee that this adhesive will last over time. And now I'm just trimming around the edges and making them smoother. And I'll be adding 2 magnets on the back of each of these just to make them extra strong. And then to finish it off, I just glued some twine around the edges. Here is a quick review of everything that was made in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and will give it a big thumbs up and comment before you leave. Also, you can follow me and tag me with related content on Instagram. My profile name there is SaggyCat, after a sweet cat named Sagittarius. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.